Alright, beginning back where we left off in the last one, because I don't like to make the videos too long. Nothing over about 9 minutes. I like to keep them about 6 if I can. But the first thing we got to do is remember, if you left it open, you're going to have to close it, or QGIS is going to have an issue opening it. So I'm going to go to File and Close. So it's there, so it won't interfere, but I'm going to leave Excel open so I can use it if I need. We are going to go to Layer again, bounce back over to QGIS. Layer, we're going to add a delimited text layer, navigate, and we're a stream atrazine sums.csv is our friend. It grabs the longitude and latitude, and we should be able to add that and close it. And you see these ones where they're on top of streams pop up. But the next thing we need to do is create a join. And we're going to join that layer with our stream, our trout stocked streams. So we're going to click on trout stocked streams, right click on it, go to properties, and way at the bottom someplace we'll have joins, right in the middle, sorry. We're going to click on joins here, and we have our joining. There's our plus. This makes sense. We got a plus there. We're going to click on the add new join, and the join layer is going to be stream atrazine sums. The join field is going to be water name. The target field is also going to be water name. All right. And then it's going to cache that layer. We could actually force it to give one, but we're going to say OK and OK, and it's done. Now we're going to right click on our trout stock streams. We're going to open that attribute table, and we're going to slide over all the way to our atrazine sums here, total, and you notice there's a lot of emptiness. But we're going to click that twice, and this will show us the streams where it's added toxicity data. All right. And you notice there's some duplicates here, so it's possible that there are streams with the same name, and we will have to redo this based on too many sugar runs or middle creeks or something like that, but or these are just different segments of it. But for right now, we're going to stick with this. We're going to go ahead and close that, and then in our trout stock streams, we're going to go to properties and symbology, and we're going to go to a graduated, and the column we'll select is stream atrazine sums total atrazine. We will select quantile and classify, and apply, and OK. And all right, we probably should use a different coloring scheme. I'm going to make my color here, instead of white, well, can't use pink. I'm going to cancel, and I'm just going to redo that. All right, we're going to go back to our properties, because I really don't like that red. It's not helping me out. So I'll use magma and apply and OK. And there we go. So we can see them. I'm going to make those a little bit wider. Does that make sense? So they're easier to see. Back to our properties. And then I would really rather that one was like that. And and apply, so the ones that are really bad are sort of super easy to see. Ooh, blinking at us there. All right, so does this make sense? They're all sort of, and we can go through this process again to make them different sizes, etc. And so, but these are our super big bad ones, and all the rest of them are colored. So more than 32 milligrams per liter is really, really not good. We'll be able to zoom in down here and see what we got going on this stream. Yeah, this is one where everywhere they've tested has a lot. Now somebody's going to say, well, there are a lot of points, maybe you should have done an average. And so we can click there and notice that when we click on it, Lovely comes up in the data and tells us where to go, right, in our identify results. And if I go to that, it's going to bring that up in a web browser and just go to the main page about stocked trout waters. All right, and then again, we could go to a county interactive map from here and look at our, go to wherever that is, and okay, and play with our data in an online form of ArcGIS, which if you take Intro to GIS, you will learn how to use. All right, back to our QGIS. Close that. We would like to make this join permanent, so we're going to right click on trout stocked streams. We are going to go to export, save features as, back to our friend the GeoJSON, back to atrazine streams, and it's going to be trout stocked streams 2019, and I'm going to put atrazine at the end of that, if I could type, and save, and OK. All right, and we're done saving, and that's pretty much it. So we've done what we wanted to do. Oh, let me zoom to this whole thing. And there we are. We've got a representation of our atrazine streams, and in a later video we'll show you how to make this a pretty map with other kinds of layers on it. But we clearly have some streams with issues. Thank goodness we the ones in Huntingdon County, we're going to zoom to those here. The ones in Huntingdon County are not really super-duper bad. Well, okay, some of them are. Mostly in southern Huntingdon County, down here in wow, I should know this better, right? So I'm going to go to my OpenStreetMap. Pull that below my nasty streams. Easier said than done. All right. Oh, this one's not so far away as I thought. Ooh, that's in the state game lands. Ooh, 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 ooh. That's not pretty. All right. So that's closer than I thought. Hope you guys don't fish there. Lots of farmlands in there. What to do? Anyway, that's the world we live in, and we're done.